Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to perform ear tip fit test for your headphones Beats Fit Pro. You have to start by open the application and now scroll down. And right here we have ear tip fit test. Click on it. Now put the headphones to your ears and click continue. Then don't speak. Just wait until this test is finished, and then click play. And as you can see, right here we have a feedback. So you can play it again, you can change ear tip, and or you can just close it, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!